Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to make custom ringtones for iPhone in a simple and practical way. First, choose the audio you want to use as your ringtone. It can be a song, a sound clip, or any audio file, but make sure it's saved on your computer. Now, open iTunes or Apple Music on your computer and import that audio file into your library. Next, right-click on the file and select Get Info. Then go to the Options tab and set the start and stop time. Keep it under 30 seconds because iPhone ringtones have that limit. After that, create an AAC version of the file, then locate it on your system and change its file extension from .m4a to .m4r. Now connect your iPhone to your computer and drag this M4R file into the device section inside iTunes. Finally, go to your iPhone settings, open Sounds and Haptics, select Ringtone, and choose your custom tone from the list. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.